You walk into a chilly Seattle office, coffee in hand, code reviews piling up. Sarah, a seasoned engineer, is deep in thought. She's just been offered a management role, but she hesitates. What if moving up doesn't mean managing people? What if there's another way to grow? This question sits heavy with Sarah, and maybe with you too, because staff engineer, the role beyond management, is a path still shrouded in mystery. Why doesn't climbing always mean climbing up? Sarah's story opens a door to a hidden career path many engineers never see. A path with no clear map, no obvious next rung. At Spotify, the engineering lead Sarah works with isn't managing headcount but guiding tech vision. This role, the staff engineer, is neither about hiring nor budgets, but about influence without formal authority. The book shares these nuanced snapshots, revealing how staff engineers shape projects across teams without the perks or clear signals a manager gets. Think of technical leadership like a jazz soloist. It's not about following the sheet music, managing a team, but about riffing creatively within a band. Technical leadership requires listening, adapting, and innovating on the fly, influencing the direction without overt control. Staff engineers orchestrate the tech ecosystem through expertise, not hierarchy. When staff engineers decode messy problems, they rewrite what success looks like. Instead of climbing a rigid ladder, they carve new tracks that elevate entire teams. This shift transforms engineers from individual contributors to multipliers of impact, a radical redefinition of what career growth means. Staff engineers don't just write code, they connect people, ideas, and missions. Their real skill is not tech alone, but weaving alignment where chaos threatens to explode. Will Larson recounts a staff engineer at Dropbox who organized a cross-team project to unify their document systems. They didn't command by title but brought teams together by fostering trust and clarity, mediating tech jargon into shared goals. This bridge built momentum where rival priorities once tangled. Remember the Swiss watchmaker analogy? Just as intricate gears mesh flawlessly without overt force, staff engineers navigate company politics subtly, aligning incentives and timelines. Their mastery lies in knowing when to push, when to yield, and how to smooth friction, without anyone realizing the cogs turning behind the scenes. At Etsy, staff engineers became the torchbearers of craftsmanship, embedding quality and experimentation into the culture. Their technical vision wasn't about shiny new tools, but nurturing a mindset shift, transforming agile responses into a sustaining rhythm that defined the company's DNA. How does a lone engineer multiply impact across 100 teammates? It's not magic. It's systems, habits, and tough choices that staff engineers make daily. In one story, a staff engineer at Google decided fixing a single flaky test suite was worth weeks of work, not because the test was glamorous, but because it blocked tens of engineers daily. This strategic triage boosted velocity, turning a minor technical debt into a major productivity win across the org. Mentorship here is like building invisible bridges. Larson describes how staff engineers invest time coaching mid-level engineers, transforming individual careers silently but powerfully. This mentoring becomes hidden infrastructure that accelerates entire teams, multiplying impact without fanfare or titles. The authors show how impactful staff engineers leave behind strong frameworks and libraries that last years beyond their tenure. Instead of hero coding, they craft legacies, durable solutions and processes that future teams inherit and build upon, turning short-term wins into generational advantages. Remember Sarah, hesitant in that chilly Seattle office. By choosing the staff engineer path, she'll craft influence not through titles but through strategic leadership, writing frameworks, aligning teams, mentoring quietly. Your takeaway? Try this. Pick one blocker frustrating your team, make it your mission to fix it, and watch your impact multiply beyond code alone. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.